here we are in Morro Bay. We're on our way to Carmel and then San Francisco. And we stopped here
for the night.
We didn't want to drive all the way, so we stopped halfway. So it's really pretty, their waterfront. Hey there, Mr. Seal. Oh, look, he heard you. Never mind, he says. Well, they're sure making enough noise over there. Come on over. The Rock. And I don't know what that is, a refinery or something. Who knows? It's a nice stopover. So, it's a overcast morning here when we woke up in Morro Bay. And this is Embarcadero Street. And it runs along the waterfront, and it has all the restaurants and bars, and it's really a lovely place to walk. And it's right near the Rock, of course, which we showed you last night. I know that my husband is right here at this bakery and coffee shop, and we're gonna get some coffee, and then we're gonna walk around a little bit, and then we're gonna head later to Carmel, and make sure you check out that vlog. Here we are at the Sun and Bun Bakery and Espresso Bar, and it's in Morro Bay. It's right on Embarcadero Street. It's absolutely a cute little place, and they have delicious coffee. And when you buy a cup of coffee, no matter what size, small or large, you get refills all day for free. You can pop in as long as you save your cup, and they'll give you free coffee. The rock that we saw yesterday is right there. There's a cute little center. This is some chocolate store. They're closed. Bummer. It really is a cute little town. Really cute stores and restaurants. Oh my gosh. And then this little walkway area. This is where we were last night, and we took a picture of the Rock right over there somewhere. And it was really nice, but now we got some overcast skies. That's the way it is here, but it's really beautiful. Oh my God, these seals are too much. That is a big kayak, wow. There's the Rock. It's starting to open up and the fog is lifting. Oh, you can see the bottom of it. We're back in the car. We're driving to the end of Embarcadero, and that's where we see the Rock. Although it's incredibly foggy, maybe if we're closer up to the Rock, we'll see something. It's the best we can do today. Well, this is the way to the Rock. Now it should be right in front of us. Wow, this is really super dense fog. You can just see parking at the very bottom there. Right there. Well, it's the bottom of the Rock. As we get closer, it clears up. Last time we came, you can walk around almost the whole thing. Oh, look at those rock formations on the side. How amazing they are. Morro Bay is really a beautiful little town. Probably don't need more than a night or two here. Hotels are the same as everywhere else in America, but it's a cute little city. There's free parking everywhere and plenty of it, so it's really convenient. even in the city, in the little downtown-y area, Embarcadero, plenty of parking, plenty of public restrooms. It's really very nice. What a nice treat to pop into this city for a day. So this little monument was made to celebrate the families of the fishermen while they wait for their fishermen to come home. So I'm walking that sort of halfway around, and you get to the end here, and that's it.
Never knew the life had just begun. You came into my life like a sweet
Clearing up. You can see the rock. Pizza Port. This is where we went last night for dinner, and it was delicious, and they had excellent gluten-free. Morro Bay. Cheers. Wine in a beer glass, but I'm okay with that.
I wanna see your face again. Oh, let me see your face again. I'm far from being satisfied yet. I have to see your face again. Oh, let me see your face again. And take me to the place we first met.
Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.